Hello and welcome to another IT and Business unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing the Microsoft Surface Duo. This is a new product that has only just been released and we have some of the first stock available into the country. The device itself is very thin, as you can see. It's got a front and rear Gorilla Glass construction. This particular one, obviously, I think the only colour you can actually get it in at the moment is white, and so this is one of the first ones. So just a quick look round of the device. You can see it still has its protective packaging on it at the moment. I mean, you can see from the side angle that it is very thin. It has a double hinge, very similar to the Lenovo Yoga laptops. So let's just see what it looks like inside. It does have a very gloss finish, this particular model. So opening up, it does have a very nice hinge action. As you can see there, the dual screens, very reflective. It's quite a light device. It's certainly very premium feeling. So moving on to the device itself, as a quick walk around, you can see the USB-C socket. That's the hinge seems to be made out of some sort of alloy as opposed to Gorilla Glass. You really get a sense of the thinness of the device when you're looking at it side on. You can see on the front we have the SIM slot. Both sides are exactly the same thickness, so it's a very symmetrical device. So that's a quick look round of the device itself. I do like the brushed finish it has on the metal. So inside the box itself, you get the, so it comes with, it does actually come with a special case, and it's a bumper case. So it only covers the edges, and it's just designed to protect the edges of your device. It is not a total case, but it is good that Microsoft included it free of charge. We'll be fitting that on a little bit later. As you can see, nice clear instructions on the bumper. And that's it does have a cutout for the fingerprint, so it's well designed for the Surface Duo. Going into the rest of the contents of the box. We have the documentation. And the obligatory SIM removal tool. You saw the SIM card slot on the side earlier. This is the supplied power adapter, which is a standard USB-C adapter. It does have the option to change the plug, although you only get the UK plug in the box for this model. And that is the included USB-C cable. It feels like a reasonably premium cable with a decent length. Good to see that Microsoft aren't using any polystyrene. Everything in here is recyclable. So taking another look at the Duo itself, I think if you had this in black it would attract a lot more fingerprints. You can see the SIM tray there. That's the fingerprint scanner. That's the power button, and next to that is the volume rocker. There's no buttons on either side of the device. Nothing on the back, obviously, because that's the hinge mechanism. And on the left hand side you've got the USB-C port. The fingerprint scanner is single touch. You don't have to swipe across it. Again, you can see the hinge mechanism there. Definitely very, very reflective Gorilla Glass screens. You can just see on the front the front camera, or in fact the only camera on this device, and the front mounted LED light that's also used as the flash. So you can see when it's being used as a phone, it folds completely flat on itself. So you have both screens accessible, but only one screen is used at a time when it's in phone mode like this. Again, it's hard to relate on the video exactly how premium this device feels, and particularly the hinge. That up there is the main speaker for the device, only a mono one. That's the earpiece for the phone, camera, and flash/torch. It does only have a single camera, this particular one. Again, you can see at the bottom there, that's the mouthpiece for the actual phone section. So the right hand screen is effectively the phone. The left hand screen is just the screen. So when you have it folded into phone mode, that's the side you would use as the phone. Similar to a yoga, you can use it in a tent mode as well. It holds its position quite well. So you can actually use it if you're using Teams or having a meeting. And that's it for the Surface Duo unboxing.